Clockify is a free time tracking tool used to monitor work hours, manage projects, and generate reports. To start, sign up for a free account at clockify.me. Create a workspace and download the browser extension, mobile app, or desktop timer. Begin tracking time by clicking the Start button or manually entering hours. Link each entry to a project with optional descriptions and tags. Projects are containers for time entries, like website redesign. Create projects in the web dashboard under the Projects tab. Tags are flexible labels like urgent or meeting that add context to time entries. Add tags in the Tags section of the dashboard and select them during time entry. The workflow is Start Timer, Select Project, Add Tags, Stop Timer. Clockify's reporting feature aggregates time data into visual dashboards. Navigate to the Reports tab in your dashboard. Choose a report type, such as Summary for total hours, Detailed for entry-level breakdown, or Weekly and Monthly views. Apply filters like date range or specific users to customize your data. Export reports as PDF or CSV for sharing and analysis. Key trends include integrations with AI tools like ChatGPT for automated time entry suggestions and report summarization. Clockify has enhanced connections to platforms such as Asana, Jira, and Microsoft Teams for seamless workflow imports and exports. Mobile app enhancements now support offline tracking and improved cross-device synchronization. As of 2025, Clockify includes end-to-end encryption for all data and optional two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Clockify also offers carbon footprint reports, estimating emissions from work hours to promote sustainability. The free version supports unlimited users and projects, making it accessible for small teams and individuals.